Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF and microwave update. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm here with the full crew today. I have Richard Mumford, our international editor, Gary LaRue, our technical editor, and Kristen Anderson, our client services manager. So we're coming to you from the IMS 2015 exhibition floor. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona. And there were a lot of overriding trends we saw here. One was Internet of Things. And there was a plenary speaker who talked about some of the medical applications. And then there was actually a wearables display right on the exhibition floor, which I think, Richard, you took a look at that.
Yeah, I went to see that. I mean, I went to see what the RF and microwave engineer will be wearing this season at the Wearables and Wireless Pavilion. It's sponsored by Intel and the Wireless Design and Development, and it featured wearable electronics utilizing RF and microwave technology. There was a large cross-section of products, including battery holders, robots, light-up clothing, and even a smartphone breathalyzer. Not forgetting the different fitness monitors on the market, including my favorite, FitBark, the dog activity monitor.
Very clever.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then there was also a lot on 5G technologies. Microwave Journal had a panel session on the future of 5G with test and measurement companies and semiconductor companies talking about what they're doing in that area. And actually the most interesting thing I saw was a 256 element wafer scale phased array transmitter. So it's a 42 square millimeter chip, which is quite large. Hence the nickname is Godzilla.
Oh, nice.
And that was developed by University of California, San Diego on Tower Jazz. So we'll be doing some more technical articles on that in the future, so that should be interesting. Gary, what did you see in the technology area of semiconductors?
So one of the things I was interested in was the GaN activity and what's happened in GaN over the past year. And I think GaN is pretty well accepted for defense and instrumentation applications. The interesting thing now is everybody's trying to get it inserted in the base station. So Qorvo is pursuing that. Freescale has announced their first GaN device for base station at this show. And then we have the other interesting news that Cree is going to have an IPO of their power and RF segment. So obviously they see some growth in that particular area. And of course, sort of the revolutionary position is being taken by MACOM. They're pursuing GaN on silicon as opposed to GaN on silicon carbide. And they were demonstrating their Gen 4 process in the booth. So we're interested to see how that develops over the next few months.
Yeah, the Cree spinoff as an IPO is very interesting. I think that will really help them because they were kind of dominated by the LED market that most of the company is aware of. So I think it's good that they spin off on their own. They can really concentrate on the RF power market.
Right, they'll have their own resources and their own focus,
yes.
Definitely. Yeah.
So how about Kristen? You always are good at discovering new companies.
Yes, this year there were several new companies here at the show. One, a Chinese company called Magvention. I talked to them and they were very proud of their extremely competitive RF coaxial switches, and they seem to have the world's smallest EM relay. So they like to share their expertise in relays, microelectronics, MEMS, and electronic ceramic materials and processes. Also a new exhibitor from Italy, Pasquale Microwave Systems. They manufacture high-precision waveguide devices and assemblies, and they have specialized skills with two other divisions of their company in EM design and RF testing, as well as metal finishing and painting. Also, a company from Germany called Geyer Electronics. They manufacture frequency products, quartz crystals, oscillators, and ceramic resonators for the automotive industry, telecom, multimedia, medical, and security technology industries. So we'll be interested to see what these companies are doing in the future as well.
Yeah, there was 620 companies this year on the exhibition, so
yep.
It seems to be growing a little bit each year with some newer companies.
Yep, very nice. Well, would that wrap up this episode of Frequency
Yes.
Matters? So from the IMS show here in Phoenix, Arizona, we'd like to thank you for watching Frequency Matters. We'd like to also thank our sponsor, Mini Circuits, online at minicircuits.com. And we hope you'll join us again for the next episode of Frequency Matters.